Hi all, I'm Dr. Jayaprada J. This is our second video in DML. First part I've already done with insert, delete, update and then select, and this is the second part. In this we are going to look only about the merge command. So this is a new command. Usually we'll not look into it, so I thought like I'd concentrate more onto it, and I don't want to put it as a same video in the with the DML part 1. So this is a very short video with consider only the DML merge. So this command is actually used to perform two actions, that is insert and update. So this is also called insert plus update, called upsert. Okay, so update plus insert, which is called upsert. So the syntax is, so this whole thing is considered to be the syntax here. So merge into, this is a keyword, target table. So into which table you want to actually add into it, append into it, using source table. So this will be the final table. This will be the final table, which is called as a target table, and the source table, that is source table, will be actually appended into it, and then you will finally get a table with the source and final, that is target table, on some search conditions. And then when this is matched, when this search condition is satisfied, when this is matched, then update the column 1 with some value and column 2 with some value, and then depends upon the how many columns you have. If you have so many number of columns, then if you want to update how many number of columns, all those things will be updated. And then when this is not matched, the search condition is not matched, then insert column 1, column 2, how many columns you have in your table, then values will be inserted for those. And then here create table test1. First the test1 has been created, so test underscore 1. So I'm creating it with two columns, A with the data type number and then B with the data type varchar 2 of 3. So and here we are actually inserting into it. So insert into test1 values 1 comma A. This is for A, and this is for actually B column A, and then again I'm inserting with 2 and B, 3 and C, 4 and D. So these are the values that I have inserted. So when I select star from test underscore 1, so this will be the output I'll be getting out of it. And then now I'm actually making another table called test underscore 2. So I'm creating a number and then B varchar. So here it will be like insert into test2 varchar. This is for A, this is for B, and likewise I'm inserting three values. So 1x, 2y, and then 4z. If I select star from test2, so this will be the output I'll be getting out of it, because I have inserted three values into it. And then now I have to insert. So the first one I have created, test1 I have created. I have made the alias name as t1, that is the source table. So it will be test underscore 1 t1, and then the second table I have created, I have given alias name as t2, and that will be the target table. So this is the source table which I have created first, and then I have given alias name as t1, and then this is the target table I have created second, and this is the this is having the alias name t2. Okay, now let's see how we are going to merge it. So merge into the target table, that is test underscore 2. The alias name is t2, using, so I'm going to merge the target table with the source table using test underscore 1 t1 on a search condition when t1's a column, T1's A column is equal to T2's A column. T1's A column is equal to T2's A column. So look here. So T1's A column, T1's A column, T1's A column, T1's A column. So these are all T1's A column, and these are all T2's A column. When the T1's A column and the T2's A column are equal, then they are asking you to perform something. Will come here later. So now on this test condition, okay. So what happens is that, so these are all the T1 A column and T2 A column. Fine. Okay. So now when this t1.a and t2.a are matched, I have 1, I have 2 here, and then I have 4 here, whereas 3 is not matched. But here the full outer join is actually performed. Even the unmatched also will be displayed. So the first matched columns are 1, 2, and then 4. So all these three are actually matched. So I have got 1, 2 and 4, and the unmatched is left out, so that will be put in the end, and that will be put in the end. Okay, so this will be the output for this. So when matched, okay, when matched, then update set t2 dot b equal to t1 dot b. So now when it is matched, I have few matched columns, right? I have few matched columns. So for those I have to update such that t2 dot b is equal to t1 dot b. So t2 dot b is nothing but this is my t2 dot b and this is my t1 dot b. So now I'm asking to update such that t2 dot b is becoming the t1 dot b. So t2 dot b will become the t1 dot b. So for x, a will be there, for y, b will be there, for z, d will be there, and then c will come here. Look here, a, b, d, and c, right? So I hope you guys are clear. So I'm matching it with t2 dot b equal to t1 dot b. So here t2 dot b is x, y, z. So I'm matching this t2 dot b with t1 dot b. So for x, a will come, for y, b will come, and then for z, d will come, and the remaining three c will be left as such. Okay, and then when not matched, then insert t2 dot a comma t2 dot b. So the values of t2 dot a should be inserted with t1 dot a values, and then t2 dot b should be inserted with t1 dot b values. Okay, when you finally select and see the target table, this will be the output. Okay, I hope everybody understood. If you really like the video, kindly subscribe. Thank you.